There's a raw shrooms.
And there's the bridge all lit up. There's sea urchin. Looks like they put some eggs inside of it. Say hello to my little friend. Tagaho. We are at some old bridge attraction. I'll let Joe tell you where.
So we're at Chaozhou at the moment, and we're doing a 2-night 1-day trip in Chaozhou and Nan'ao Island tomorrow. So we're gonna go to my dad's hometown, which is in Santao. So this is like before Chinese New Year. So we're just gonna go around the cities close to his hometown for a little bit. And so this is our first attraction. You can see it behind us. It's called Guangji. And like it's two like really old bridge, and then in the between there are some boats connects them.
And we got a big reveal from our last video at the zoo. What backpack did Joe get?
We got a parrot.
You got a parrot.
The parrot was so cute.
Maybe the blue stripes was a giveaway.
Oh yeah, maybe, but yep, look at it. It's so cute. So now we're gonna go onto the bridge. Okay, we're on the bridge.
Okay.
You can see it's a lot of people. Apparently this is always really busy like this.
Not just Chinese New Year. Every day. It's every day. We were thinking of taking the helicopter, but it might be a little pricey and maybe a little risky. Our YouTube channel must be blowing up because a little kid just came and asked for a photo. At least he was really polite.
Yeah, he was very polite.
And
he said thank you afterwards.
Yeah, a lot of people have been sniping pictures without asking, so I appreciate them asking.
Yeah.
Getting some ice cream?
It's really hot here. I'm surprised because it's really hot in my parents' city already. Busan is really hot, and like today is like probably I'm feeling like a 28 degrees.
Yeah, Joe's got her sweater tied around her. I gotta carry my sweater. We thought it was gonna be cold, but
no, it's not.
No, it's not.
It's not. It's hot. Okay, we're going to the next attraction, Chaozhou Guseng. So the old town of Chaozhou, and like the bridge is like right across the street. So we just cross the street, and this is our second attraction. And my parents are inside, so we're gonna go find them. Busy. I hope you don't lose me. I killed this ice cream. So this is the car we're gonna take now. It's 100 months for a attraction inside the old town. My parents couldn't really walk, so we're all just gonna take the car together.
Let's go. We're gonna see Old Town in luxury.
My parents is over there. I just realized, look at this.
Lantern?
Yeah. It's so strange to see it on a moving part.
Yeah. Alright, we're in a traffic jam.
Okay, how's your experience?
I guess it's a little bit bumpy, but it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
To go between attractions.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be a bicycle. I thought the guy was gonna have to work a little bit, but they're motorized, so
yeah.
It's coming apart.
Oh. This thing just fell off.
The pole just fell on Joe.
I was like, what was it? I was confused. And yeah. So now we're gonna go see one of the prince's husband's house. Apparently it's really big and the ticket is 20 months per person. Oh, I forgot to mention the bridge that we went was 29 months. And then the car we're taking is 100 months per car. So it's really like 50 months per person. It's not bad. So you can see his name here. So we call the prince's husband Fu Ma. And in all these like Asian buildings, if you see this, if you're a girl, use your right leg first. If you're a guy, use your left legs for good luck, I think. I don't know why. I was taught that way. I think those are the kings. The empire.
The emperors?
Emperors, maybe? I'm not sure. They got stuck. They got stuck. My parents' purse got stuck. Uh-oh. Okay.
Cheers. Pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. It's tasty.
It's this thing. That is the tea that we just drank. This kind of fruit, it looks like a Buddha's hand. Okay, so we're going to this temple. If you know Lei Ka-shing, is the richest man from Hong Kong. He's from the city. So if you live in Scarborough area, you heard Lee Center. He built tons of condos in Toronto, downtown as well. And I heard, like the driver told us, back in the day, he came to this temple, pray, and then he became the richest man. And after that, he came back here to donate money to make this temple more like fancier. So we're gonna go inside and pray, and hopefully we're gonna be the next richest person in Toronto. Buddy, say hello.
Hello.
Busy. Okay, our car ride is done. We're back on our foot.
Back to walking.
Yeah.
The luxury is over.
It was fun. I feel like if you are trying to walk to all the attraction, it might be hard. You probably have to take like 2-3 days or 2 days or like a whole day. I don't know. This is a really big town. So it was nice to have like a little bit help so we can see more. But if you only want to come here just for some local experience, you don't have to. But I mean, it wasn't that expensive, so it was worth it.
Joe gave him a little bit of a tip.
Yeah.
Now where are we going?
I'm not sure. Walk into the crowd.
For our next attraction, it's human beings, a lot of them. And to go with the giant wave of human beings attraction, there's a temple in here.
Still a lot of people.
Joe just made a wish for everyone to like and subscribe. Lei Ka-shing also donated this temple for his mom, okay? So hopefully when we make a wish here, it's gonna come true. I'm praying again for your likes and subscribe. So please like and subscribe. Okay, Jordan is gonna have his first challenge today because this is for them to collect 100 folk. So he's gonna write the word folk. No, I already messed up.
It looks good. Keep going. Okay, close enough. Okay, it's dinner time. We are having some Chaozhou choy for dinner. It's like traditional local food. And hope you like it.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
Guess we're trying some raw seafood.
Are you gonna try it?
I'll try it.
Okay. This is the goose. This is the fried noodles. Here's some raw shrimps. This is the oyster pancake. Here is the seafood congee. You can see there's crabs in it, also some shrimps. It looks really good. Okay, we're trying the fried noodles. Chewy. I like it.
It's good.
I'm gonna try some of the oyster pancake. It looks really crispy. Do you hear this? It's really crispy. I'm really excited for this. The raw shrimp. This is like a traditional food from here. It's called sangim. So they marinate it for a long time. And so even though they're raw, they're safe to eat. They're really good. You can just like suck it.
You just bite it and suck on it?
How is it? Jordan's first time trying raw seafood.
Flavor's good. I don't know if I know how to eat it, the technique.
It's time to try some congee. How do you like it?
Yeah, the flavor's pretty good. Again, I just don't know the technique because there's shells still in it, so
Oh yeah.
it's a little bit hard to eat, but the flavor's good.
Unfortunately, they're out of crabs, which is kind of sad because we came in here mostly just for the crabs.
We got a lot of food already.
Yeah, so anyway, we'll keep having our dinner and we'll see you guys tomorrow in Nan'ao Island.
We thought we were going to be done after the restaurant, but we came back to the old bridge. There's a bit of a market here. And I got a candy in the shape of a dragon. The guy drew it himself. I should have got a snake for the snake year, but the dragon was too cool, so
Try it.
we'll go with the dragon. Pretty good. Just tastes like sugar.
We walked back to the bridge. It looks so amazing at nighttime.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah, and then the boat that was connecting the two bridge is gone now. So now you can see it's like two, it looks like a two separate bridge. And we're gonna show you guys more.
You can see the crowd of people everywhere. And there's the bridge all lit up.
And you can see the boat is gone. This looks like two separate bridge.
Yeah, you can't cross it right now. And then you got some trees lit up in the background.
佛山队的跟着我哈，在这边了哈。
We're on the island, but we're almost at the hotel.
Yeah.
Stopping for some lunch. Getting some seafood again.
Yeah. Since we're in the island, you know, we have to have seafood. I'm really excited because I'm really hungry. We got some clams. We also ordered this. My dad said there's two different kinds.
And we got our sea urchin. Looks like they put some eggs inside of it.
Next, we got some fish, like the most Chinese way to cook a fish. Boom, a big plate of oyster. But the seaweed is really famous on this island, so this is a seaweed oyster pancake and some baby crabs. I tested the clam is really fresh. It is really fresh. So we'll try to eat this. I'm not a big fan, but since we're having seafood, so you just need to use toothpick. Oh, you got it. I couldn't even get it out. I changed one.
Kind of looks like a snail.
And I dip it to the wasabi and soy sauce. The wasabi is so spicy.
This one?
I like it. I guess we have to be really careful with eating this.
Why?
It's scary.
Oh.
I'm scared of picking it up. I don't want to poke my finger. It doesn't have much taste. I'll put some soy sauce in it. No, all I can taste is just the egg.
I think I got one of his spikes in my mouth.
You okay?
Yeah.
Oh.
Really crunchy.
Okay, here's our oyster. Oyster cheers. Let me try out the seaweed oyster pancake. Wow, the seaweed oyster pancake is really good. How's that? Okay, sorry crabs, but I'm gonna eat you.
Oh, baby crab.
Crack it open. Wow, it's salty already, eh? Who's it? Okay, we're done with lunch. It's really good.
Really tasty. A lot of work though.
Yeah, we were so busy digging into the crabs. They're tasty, but it's just really hard to get them. And they're so small.
Little baby crabs.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll go back to the hotel now. And we'll see you guys later. Okay. We're in the hotel. We're in the balcony. It's a really big balcony.
We're on the 9th floor. Right on the beach.
Yeah.
On Nan'ao Island. Nan'ao Island.
Yeah.
And I see some jet ski. Looks like some jet ski rental on the beach.
I don't know. It's so cold. I don't know how can people do that right now.
Probably warm up. So hopefully Joe will go with me.
No, unless you pay me $1 million.
We're not going to be doing the jet ski ride today.
It's so cold. We have to put on our winter jacket.
This is going to be our adventure for now.
Yeah, we'll walk to the beach at least. Well, Jordan wants to put his feet into the water. Is the water cold?
I can swim in it. I think the outside air is colder than the water. I want to go jump in the waves.
Jump.
All right, I'm forcing Joe to get in the water. That's not in the water. I think we're all done for tonight.
Long walk.
Yeah, we had a nice walk along the beach.
Yeah.
We'll probably go for some more seafood dinner tonight.
Yeah. We got drinks.
Yeah. What'd you get?
This is a yuzu. I think it's a Chinese rice wine. It helps me fall asleep, okay? I have sleeping issue. I'm not an alcoholic. Just
Got a PBR, a big bottle for 10 mun.
yeah. This is
Two
20.
Canadian dollars. That's
So $4.
4 Canadian dollars.
Cheers.
Cheers.
it tastes good. Fruity and strong.
Beer's good. Tastes like beer.
Nice comment. Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We're done with the night, but my dad wants to give you guys some extra. So here's some fireworks just for you guys.
Okay, let's see it. Light it up. Oh! All right, our turn.
Oh, ours is very small.
No way, that's not it.
That was it.
这还有188的，还有吧？再帮我们看一看这种高发的。
My dad bought this one too.
把这哎对。
Oh.
We bought the big box.
My dad said it's good. We're gonna get another one too.
All right, Joe's lighting it up right now. Oh. All right, this one was worth it. Wow. Wow, that's a big bang.
Well, I convinced my dad not to get a super expensive one, but he still wants us to do this, a cannon. The last firework for tonight. Ah!
Say hello to my little friend. Any second now. Boom.
How do you feel?
That was the best. The 400 one was really good, but that one was a lot of fun.
It's more like
Interactive.
Interactive,
It
yes.
was good.
Yeah.
That was fun.
It's,
That
there's
was
still,
really good.
there's smoke coming out from the head.
We tried to convince him to not spend the 700 a month on the big box, but
He insists.
he insists on the big
Because
box.
Chinese New Year, you need some firework. We have to go so far away because it's so big. 188 shots.
I think we got the biggest fireworks on this whole beach. All right, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for the fireworks show.
I hope you guys enjoy it. We definitely did enjoy it. It was so much fun.
Yeah, we spent a lot on fireworks tonight, but it was worth it.
Yeah. Hope whoever see this video will have some good luck for 2025.
Hopefully we have some good luck too.
I'll have more. I'm gonna throw it to Jordan.
Yeah, I threw it at Joe a little bit.
Yeah, he literally threw it to my shoes. It's not nice.
It just popped inside the box. Joe is armed with fireworks. Boom.
Okay, it's actually done for tonight. See you guys tomorrow.
We're all done. Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Unfortunately, I guess this will be the end of this video. I got some food poisoning. I guess it's from some of the seafood. My mom said the clam might be bad, but nobody else is sick, just me. So yeah, I'm not feeling well at all. So it's kind of a shame that today is such a good weather, but we're not gonna go anywhere. We're just gonna go back.
Yeah, this is the last stop on Nan'ao Island. This behind us is, they call it the Tropic of Cancer. We did some research and it's apparently the Earth's northernmost circle of latitude,
Yeah.
which means it's the only place where the sun will be directly above you.
So you can see the statue. I would be assuming like where this ball is will be exactly where the sun will be at the right time.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.